Hey folks, welcome to the Kev's Castle channel. Here I'm dedicated to helping you turn your home into your own private sanctuary. I also want to mention that I have a blog where I like to put other content like articles and things like that. It's over at remodelupgrade.com. And one of the items that I have over there is something called the Hiring the Ideal Contractor Checklist. It's a free guide that I designed to help walk you through the steps of finding, interviewing, and hiring the ideal contractor for your next home remodel. There's also a link in the description if you want to learn more. I have another channel, it's called Woodwork Family, because one of my favorite hobbies is woodworking. So if you're interested in that hobby, then go check out Woodwork Family. There will be a link to that in the description as well. And if you're new to the Kev's Castle channel, visit the Start Here playlist down below so you can learn more. Thanks for visiting, and I'll see you in the next video.